In this video, I'm gonna show you how to block any YouTube channel that you want. It is a very simple process. For this, first of all, open your YouTube application. So here you go. Now enter the YouTube channel that you want to block. So I'm gonna open the YouTube channel. And now click the three dot on the upper right corner. Tap on this three dot. And now tap on block user. And here it said that blocking this user will prevent them from commenting on videos that you have uploaded. So tap on this block and yeah, block done. This does not mean that YouTube will never recommend the videos from this channel. If you wish that YouTube will never recommend you those videos from this channel, then follow this process. To do this, now select a video from that channel. So I'm gonna select a video. Then click the three dot next to the video. Tap on this three dot. Now you have to tap on don't recommend channel. Tap on this. From now, YouTube will never recommend videos from that channel. I hope you understand these two processes. If you think this video is useful, then don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video.